Good morning, Niger, and welcome once again to your Health Corner, where they carry all the better information you need, put on for front of your domot. My name na Dr. Adora, and the matter where they ground today, it concern one thing where Oyibo they call color blindness. Yes, you know say this color blindness, person go talk say person they color blind. Wait till me, you know me say the person not they see at all. It just means say when you they see some kind colors, if you they see green, it go be like say you they see white. People where they see all these kind of things, not be say them blind like I talked before. The only thing be say they know they see things as clearly as people when they color blind. So color blindness, it means say person not fit see some colors, or if they see those colors differently from other people. Very few people where they color blind. They not they plenty like that. And most of the time, the colors where they see differently now green, yellow, orange, and red. So therefore, it is very, very important make you note, say if your child they color blind, because if they get difficulty for school, if they tell and say which color be this, others go they shout color red, and go they shout color yellow. Especially in the early years when they do plenty activities with colors, like when they draw, when they build house, all those things where they do with plenty colors. Then sometimes if they use computer, if it become big problem for person where they color blind. So this topic, if you won't use them to appeal to any of your, whether a man or man child or a girl child, the thing be say children that they get all these kind of issues on top color, and it would make you know. Then when children they know colors, all of the cells, that now all the cells and the different pathways where they inside the eye and the brain, all of them they there from when you don't born your pikin, and when your pikin they very young. So therefore, young children they feel see the difference between colors if they know they color blind. But if then they no go they see these colors well at first. You understand? But soon enough, as they grow, if they don't get any problem, they go they fit differentiate colors, especially when bright colors. However, children when they under the ages of 4 years, they may not understand that the green of a ball, for example, is the same color of the green of grass. So if you see this color green for ball, see it for grass, if you call them another thing. So your child, you need to understand different, more things about colors, like their shapes, their sizes, to be able to see the different things where fit they inside one color. Younger children, they feel they able to say, okay, the ball is green, but they not fit talk say the grass is also green, because they don't understand, they not fit compare the two colors together, and they feel they confused when they want talk say, okay, this one a green color, even though this one are for ball and this one are for grass. So these are things where they learn as they grow. So many children then they able to recognize and name colors by the time they don't reach 4 years. This color blindness now, how the thing they take happen, what thing it really be, how the thing they happen inside body. You know say our eye get what thing they call the retina, and this retina is the back of the eye. That now that part of the eye where they pick up light as they come inside. And we get two types of cells for inside our eyes. We get the rod cells and we get the cone cells. And these two cells they react differently to light. What in rod cells they do be say, then they're very, very sensitive to light. So even if na very small light, when not too bright, you understand, they go quick catch them. Like lights where they come up from star, or when night's not too bright like that. But they know they see different colors, so their own are just to detect light, no matter how small it be. Using the rod cells, we fit they see different things around us at night, but only things where they in the shades of black, in the shades of gray, and in the shades of white. Cone cells too, they react to brighter light. That they help us they see details in objects. You understand? Unlike the other one where they pick only things for night, this one they help you see the different details where they inside anything where you they see. So we get 3 different types of cone cells. The ones where they pick up red lights, others they pick up green lights, and others they pick up blue lights. So by the time you combine the different messages from all the different sets of cone cells, you go notice say you go fit detect different colors them where everybody they normally see. So person may get color blindness. Why they tell you all this story? They say person may get this color blindness in they lack one or more of this type of cone cells. That's now waiting they happen. So who exactly is color blind? Now the next question what I get for you now. Red, green color. If you they get blindness, for inside red-green color. Now something where you don't inherit, and this one they occur in about 8% of people. Well, now here I go back break on top the matter. If you want to hear more, I beg, not even try yourself. Tomorrow, join me, make I send you better details on top this color blindness. My name is still Dr. Adora, and this is your Health Corner for Good Morning Naija show.